Are you a teenager and you are looking for a business that you can actually start while you're still in school? In this video, I'm going to talk to you or mention to you the best business you can actually start and get to succeed as a teenager and build your entrepreneurial skill at an early age and have that passion or have that an opportunity to build a massive success. My name is Brolin Mushesia. I'm going to present to you the 8 reasons why network marketing business is the best business for you as a teenager to start at an early age and get to succeed in this kind of business. So stay up to the end of this video for you to learn everything you need to know about this business and the benefit you are going to get when you actually start or join a network marketing business. As I start, I understand as a teenager, you have a lot of things maybe you want for yourself. For example, you might want to buy yourself fancy things like maybe the trend, maybe the current shoes, maybe the current gaming, maybe even want to buy yourself different stuffs. You want to travel, see your friends over up country. Sometimes maybe you have passion in traveling, or even you have that urge of helping your friends in terms of finance or money, or even supporting your family. And you are looking for a business that can actually help you to achieve your dreams. And that's why I'm going to tell you why network marketing company business can actually make you to achieve and tick your goals. So without wasting much of the time, let us look at the benefits you're going to get when you actually join one of the best network marketing company. One is the low startup cost or the amount you need to actually join a network marketing company. If you compare to other businesses or traditional business, you are going to realize or to find out that for you to start that kind of business, you need a lot of investment. You need to have a very well marketing plan. You need maybe to pay for the rent, for the staff salaries. Even sometimes you need the raw materials plus other expenses that comes with the starting a business. But when you look at network marketing business, you just need a joining fee which is very low, and you get a chance to actually join a successful network marketing company. Secondly, it has a flexible schedule. If you look at the business model of network marketing and you being as a teenager, you are going to realize that you can still work in school and have that an extracurricular activity as a alongside network marketing business. That means that as you are building your entrepreneurship journey, you still have a opportunity to do your studies, to do your education, and then when you create time and maybe during your free time, and this is when you can now do as network marketing as a business. You don't have to fix everything within the school time. No, you just have to set yourself and get to do something or an activity that you might have agreed on, that this is what you are going to do today, or this is the assignment you have for you to build your business. Three, this business is going to build your self-development in terms of you're going to learn on how to sell and negotiate with different clients. You're going to learn on how the importance of marketing. If you are an introvert, this business is going to teach you on communication skills. How do you talk to people? How do you communicate? Listen in terms of listening, or what are you supposed to respond if someone has to ask you a question. Also, you're going to learn on the leadership skill, because remember, as you build a team, there are people who are going to be looking upon you because they need you to train them, they need you to mentor them. So you have a chance actually to develop in yourself, and which can be beneficial in your future career endeavors. The fourth benefit is it is going to work on your personal growth, which means that it's going to help you as a teenager to build your confidence, your resilience, and even your self-discipline as you navigate through the challenges and the setbacks that comes in building a business. You're going to realize that there are things you are learning that are giving you confidence and assurance that you can still do it, you can still pursue your goals, you can still pursue your education and get to succeed in your business and education. Fifth reason why you should start network marketing as a business when you're a teenager is it has a potential for passive income. As you build your network and customer base, you will generate a passive income through through maybe, let's say, maybe selling or even sometimes making commission from the sales, recruiting other people into your team. And as your team keeps on growing, you are still going also to make a passive income. So the goal here is to actually make a team and build a successful members who have that passion of doing the business. And alongside you, both of you are going to be making your income as you do your education. Another benefit is we have mentorship and support system. Maybe you're asking yourself, I'm still a teenager, I've never done business, or I'm skeptic, I don't know how to talk to people, I don't know how to do this kind of business. The good news here is that there is training, mentorship, and support system that is guaranteeing you as a massive success as long as you follow the steps, you follow everything that you're going to be taught and everything you need to know about doing a business. Your work is just to avail yourself and get to learn these basic skills that you need to succeed in network marketing business. However, just like in any other business around the world, this is not an overnight results business. Just like any other business that you need to do, you have to follow the steps, you have to work very smart, you have to commit yourself, and you have to take the right steps for you to succeeding in this business. So joining a network marketing company business does not mean that you are going to make massive money or massive wealth by tomorrow. No, you have to learn the business, and before earning comes in, learning must come first. However, I want to assure you that as a teenager, you can still succeed in this business despite you still doing your education. As I'm winding up, I've also done other videos about what is network marketing business, how do these companies work. I'm going to leave the link in the description section. Check out and get to learn how network marketing companies works. However, if you have a question, also leave it in the comment section. I'll be able to know and get to respond it accordingly. But if you have found something informative in this video, give it a like, subscribe, and also if you have interest in actually joining and getting started in network marketing business, in the description section also, I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact. Reach out to me, ask me any question you have, any personal thing you want to know about network marketing business, and I'm ready to help you in getting started. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and see you in the next video.